Welcome to CompXM, an integrated assessment tool that will let you prove your business knowledge. CompXM is intended to be used after the completion of your capstone or foundation simulation. You will use the decision-making skills from that simulation to run your CompXM company. The Getting Started area introduces you to the CompXM exam, which includes a simulation similar to your previous one and a series of quizzes called board queries. Take a moment to review the differences in your new simulation, the sample board query, and the CompXM scoring method. CompXM has 4 decision rounds. You'll answer board queries for each round. At the end of the simulation, you will answer a 5th set of board queries, but no decisions will be required. You can download a CompXM booklet. The booklet will quickly explain the CompXM sensor industry. Information about the industry also appears in the conditions report, which is available from the CompXM dashboard. The report will help you understand industry growth and your customers' buying criteria, including future positioning expectations. This is the dashboard, a central area for all exam activities, including access to the web spreadsheet. This is the R&D section of CompXM for Round 1. It is very similar to your previous simulation. However, notice the perceptual map has 4 segments. Also notice the segment positions are in the middle of the map. In the next 4 years, the circles will drift the remaining distance to the lower right. The remaining decision areas should look familiar. In CompXM, you start with 4 products, 1 for each segment. Your other simulation might not have used human resources and total quality management modules. All CompXM simulations use these modules. If you are not familiar with the HR and TQM modules, be sure to look at the documentation, which is available from the CompXM help area. Industry results are reported in the CompXM Inquirer, which is available from the spreadsheet or on the dashboard. Unlike your other simulation, you can only view the Inquirer from the previous round. You are the sole decision maker in the CompXM company. When you update decisions, you update all decisions for all departments. The simulation accounts for part of your CompXM score. The other part is based on any questions given to you by your board of directors. These are called board queries. Click Answer Board Query. Confirm you are the authorized user. Read the instructions. Then select a question to begin. The first question opens and displays on the right. To answer this question, we need to know the number of shares issued by the Andrews CompXM company. We'll find that information in the Inquirer. You can change your answers as often as needed prior to the end of the round, or, if your CompXM is self-paced, before you advance to the next round. Some questions require information found on a competitor's annual report. Unlike your previous simulation, in CompXM, you have access to all company reports. You can go on to the next question or stop work now and resume later. Some CompXM simulations progress on a set schedule. The start and stop times for each round will display in this area. Other CompXM simulations are set for self-pace. If you are in a self-paced simulation, you have the ability to move on to the next round whenever you feel you are ready. Once you have finalized your decisions and have answered all of the round's board queries, press this button to proceed to the next round. Remember, you will not be able to go back, so please be sure your decisions and answers are final. Welcome to Round 2. If your instructor permits it, you can monitor your scores as you progress. In addition to the results of your board query answers, the system will display the results of your simulation decisions. Results are assessed using a balanced scorecard. Please see the Help section for a thorough discussion of the balanced scorecard. Welcome to CompXM.